Hello, this is Sean. In this episode of the Copywriting Genius, let us look at the Mecola.com. Mecola.com has been one of the most visited, well-referenced health-related websites dating back to 1997. They have built up the huge archive of articles and information over the years, and the business has and will continue to be built around Dr. Joseph Mecola. If you go through the articles, it seems most all of them are attributed to him. He's truly the core of the brand, which is why, if you visit their website, his photo and a link to learn more about him are prominently displayed in the sidebar everywhere. Having the audience trust him and his expertise is a vital aspect of the business. He is the authority that drives it all. It is very similar to your typical information business driven by one particular expert, except Mecola is still a huge scale, and the bulk of the company's revenue seems to come from a very expensive online store, which is shop.mecola.com. Following will be the series of squiz pages for the free report. They develop new reports on an ongoing basis to cover a variety of topics. In the example following, I wanted to specifically highlight the copy with a dangerous theme, which is common in the health niche. Let us look at the first quiz page. It starts by saying, get this free report exposing the danger of non-stick cookware. Get your free report. Enter your email addresses in the field below to download a report exposing the danger of non-stick cookware. You'll also get free access to more than 100,000 health articles from Mecola.com and free subscriptions to our newsletter. You can also subscribe anytime, and we guarantee to protect your email privacy. And also if you look at this email again, there's two things that I want you to see. First of all, the headline says, get this free report exposing the danger of non-stick cookware. Non-stick cookware is an item we find mostly innocent and useful, and this makes the idea more intriguing. Because people usually don't expect that non-stick cookware will be any hazardous to our health or anything, so this will grab their attention for sure. And in the second paragraph, where it starts with enter your email addresses in the field below to download a report. Notice how there are bonuses in addition to the free report. Therefore, they are stacking up the value and stacking up the perceived value of the signing up the newsletter. This is how it has to be done. When any business owners are making their opt-in pages and email opt-in form, it has to be perceived as something that is higher value than giving out their email addresses. So this is one of the good example. And at the end, it says that you also get free access to more than 100,000 health articles from Mecola.com and so on and so forth. This is an interesting use of footer text because it reminds you of the bonuses you get and mention the options to unsubscribe as well. And let's look at the second example of the quiz page. It starts by saying, thinking about going vegetarian? This type of diet may put your health in danger. Get your free report. Enter your email addresses in the field below to download a report. Think twice before going on a vegetarian diet. This is very interesting because in the following example, there is no mention of bonuses in the body like the example above. However, the bonuses are always mentioned at the bottom. As you can see, you also get free access to more than 100,000 health articles from Mecola.com and free subscriptions to my natural health newsletter. You can unsubscribe anytime, and I guarantee your email privacy. This is another good example. Next quiz examples are following. The sweet isn't all there is to aspartame and other artificial sweetener. Get your free report. With a green light from the FDA and Diet Obsessed Nation letter, aspartame and other artificial sweetener have deeply penetrated mainstream diet, with the throngs and throngs of believers sending the pro-diabetic, pro-health messages across. And there's a picture, and this picture is very interesting because unlike the other photos used, this looked most like a real book, more value, so it perceived as a more value and not a report. Notice how they choose to put a free stamp in the corner this time. Hope this video was quite helpful for the analysis of the copywriting secrets, and I hope to see you in the better copywriting contents in the next video, next episode of the Copywriting Genius. Have a great day.